My name is Atin Sehgal. I work for a company named Pragati Biomedical, which is based in Delhi. We are involved in providing solutions to our customers who work in the area of healthcare, research, and medical devices production. Before joining the MBA program, although we were having some basic systems, but they were not efficient and effective. The data collected most of the times were not in the correct format, or they were multiple files. It was never collated on a single place. So we had challenges in data collection, employee productivity, and lack of quality reports as well. Our top three takeaways include sales CRM, HR admin automation, and business reporting. Personally, for me, it was a good learning experience which enhanced my knowledge of Excel as a tool. There are three reasons why I would recommend Kewal Kishan's MBA program for any entrepreneur. A. The course is very simple and easy to understand. Secondly, we have an excellent support team. It's just not another course where you take a course and you are on your own. The work we do, and in case we have some issues, there's a support team backing us up. Thirdly, Kewal has created an excellent ecosystem of community where we have got our fellow members and we all can learn from each other. I would thank you personally, Kewal, for providing us a platform where we can use your tools to enhance and have a productive business. Thank you.